In this video, I want to show you how you can use the Mega Pack to create your own lined paper. Now, once the Mega Pack is loaded, next to choose an option here, we want to scroll down to lined paper and then hit OK. Now, this will load our lined paper screen, and our first option is for our page setup. So our first option here is our line spacing in millimeters. Now, 7.1 millimeters is a common size. However, there are multiple other sizes you can choose from. And if you want to change it, just simply edit the box here and type in however millimeter spacing or gap that you want between your lines. Our next option here is for our line thickness. That is how thick these lines are here. And then after this, we can choose our line color. And then we can put in an RGB color if we want. We can move this around as well and select pretty much any color possible. I'm going to leave it on black. And then our next option here is to choose how many pages we want to create. Again, you can create as many or as few as you want. After this is for our slide width and slide height. At the moment it's on 8.25 by 8.25, which of course is a square. I'm going to change it to 8.5 by 11. The next option here is for our margins and our gutter margin. So if you want to create line paper with bleed, then you would need to adjust the slide width and height to account for the bleed and change the left and right margin, top, bottom margin and gutter all to 0. If you're creating without bleed, then of course you need to have a left and right, top, bottom and gutter margin. If you're unsure to what size margin you should have or what the correct bleed size is, then do consult KDP's website, and that will give you all the different guidance for different trim sizes, different page amounts, etc. So for here, I'm just going to leave them left and right both on 3/4 and top and bottom on 3/4, and then I'm going to put my gutter at 0, hit save as, and then here we have the option to save as a PowerPoint file, which of course can be opened in PowerPoint, but also in software such as Keynote, OpenOffice, LibreOffice, Google Slides. You can import it into Canva, etc. And we also have OpenOffice presentation here, which is obviously the default file extension for OpenOffice and LibreOffice. And then we have a PDF file here as well. So if you wanted to import it into Photoshop, into Affinity Designer or anything like that, you can also create a PDF file. I like to click a PowerPoint file here, and I call this lined paper. Hit save, and then hit OK. Just wait for that to create. Hit OK. Now if you look in my lined paper folder, if I open this with PowerPoint, and as you go through, you can now see I have my lined paper. And again, this is fully editable as well, and you can add your own elements, change things around, etc., etc. And same applies, you can import this file into Canva and do exactly the same as well. So I hope this quick introduction video to the lined paper feature of the Mega Pack helps you. Thank you for watching.